Alright, welcome everyone. Next project. This is the actually the self-propelled locomotive. This one that's got a spring gear drive in it, so that's something new. And also it doesn't have the accordion type stuff along the pressure tank. You get to see the gears in action on the inside on this one, so that should be cool. I'm trying things out with the new microphone. If anybody watched that last video where I combined the U-Gears sets, I'm sorry about it, sounded like a bad crank phone call from the 80s. But with that being said, let's pop this open, see what we got. Oh, I also have got a plan for this series. I think it's going to be a good thing. I'm going to do one step per video. If I have a 2-minute video, I have a 2-minute video. If I have a 20-minute video, it's a 20-minute video. It's just whatever one step is. And I'm going to be posting these twice a day. Once at my normal midnight, and then I'm going to phase out, for the time being, I'm going to phase out my Lego builds and just concentrate on this until, I want to see how that goes with this, get how the view numbers work out and all that with this set. It is a pretty hefty set, I'll say that. And the box is thick, but they always put filler in the bottom, so let's see how many actual. Oh, it's actually pretty thick stack of them. Oh, I need to turn on more light, don't I? Yeah. And our typical, and there's our engine, I guess you'd call it. Name spring, box of goodies, and these back together. So actually, I'm gonna cover up the holes to make the thumbnails look easier to shoot. Yeah, that'll look good in a thumbnail. And let's see what's in our box of goodies. I'm sure it's just standard U-Gears stuff. Not U-Gears, ROKR. Sorry. Yeah, we got our turner for the spring, a bunch of axles, a few pegs. Maybe those may be extras. Okay. Oh, I do have something else to show y'all too. And our little spacer ends. I have gone on and bought, it's a wax melter. So I'm going to use, somebody recommended they melt a candle to use it. I thought, well, I can just get a wax melter and buy the bag of paraffin wax and you get the same effect. This is also from Ukraine. Interesting. But so that's what I'm going to be using for trying that out for the lubrication this time. See how that works. Hopefully, it's it's always looking to improve, get better methods, and see how things go. That was, I think, the wax actually costed more than the little melter thingy. They weren't much difference. I think it was like $13 and $20 a piece, something like that. Okay, that'll come into use next time when I actually start assembling it. Okay, I'm going to do the unboxing here, and then tough plastic on this one. Oh, there's our sandpaper, and over here, and see what our pieces look like today. Got a ratcheting system there. Alright. I'll say that. Okay, this is going to be a big train, because that's the lower assembly, it looks like. Okay. I think that might make it easier to work on. I hope it does anyway. Let's see. See? All our wheels and a few pegs and gears. Alright. Looks like there's the front of it. More gears and decoration, it looks like. Lots and lots of gears on this one, it appears. Glad I've got that wax system that I'm going to try and experiment with on this first piece. These are labeled spare parts. I don't know if I haven't noticed any other one of those. Okay, maybe the spares are on the next one, that's what they're talking about. They must be planning on you breaking these. And F. Okay, yeah, it's labeled. These are all spares. Okay, cool. I'm sort of curious as what that goes to. Hopefully that spins, because that'll look cool in motion. And our whistle. Okay, yeah. But, yeah. How many steps is this thing? And that way I'll know exactly how many. 32 steps, so it'll be a 16-day process, evidently. Because I'm going to do 2 steps per day starting tomorrow, because this will be the first video. I'm looking forward to this. Y'all seem to like trains in the past, so I get plenty good views on my train sets, and I enjoy building little models like this. I'm interested, really, to see how the spring system works, because I've never built one with this kind of circular spring. I've done the gravity stuff and the wind up stuff that's all like the music boxes come with everything built in. I've never actually built the spring system, so I'm interested in seeing how that works and how much I can mess that up. I mentioned I mentioned the new mic. Hopefully it's working better on this video than the last one. If it doesn't, I'll go back to my old mic. Got to experiment with these things and see if it gets any better. Let's see. But like I said, that's where I'm going to cut it off today. Got to get things ready, and I'll start with the double video things tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.